I'm here at the picturesque PepperHarrow Farm, located just south of Winterset on the bluffs above the Middle River Valley. This 20-acre oasis offers farm fresh flowers and also unique classes and events, the perfect destination for travelers. Adam, Jen, thanks for having us at PepperHarrow Farm. This place is beautiful. You're from Iowa. You're not from Iowa. You grew up in the South. Tell us how you got here and how this place was started.
Well, we'd like to say Adam made me move back to my hometown, or he likes to tell people that. It started with a dream. Adam had a dream that he wanted to grow our own food and be self-sustaining and really do a farmstead somewhere. We didn't know where that was going to be. I brought Adam back one Covered Bridge Festival back to Winterset, and it was the most beautiful fall day you could possibly imagine. And he's like, I think we should move back to Winterset. And here we are, the rest is history.
Where did this dream or love of flowers come from?
For me, a lot of my love for flowers came from my grandma and my mom. I grew up gardening, and that's how I learned a lot about what I know how to do today and how I know how to grow flowers, because I spent a lot of time in the garden with both of them.
Just this path leading towards having this farm, we just started to take steps in educating ourselves. So I became a master gardener and ended up working as a gardener professionally in Nashville for a time. But when we came here, I came here with the intent of growing vegetables and getting some animals and planting some fruit trees. But Jen was the one who's like, I'm gonna grow a garden of flowers.
So Adam, tell us a little bit about PepperHarrow Farm. Give us a lay of the land here.
We grow flowers on about 8.5 of the 20 acres. Lavender and dahlias are our biggest things that we grow here, but we grow all sorts of cut flowers and different things. People are remarking all the time of how amazing it smells out here.
This is just stunning. It's beautiful.
Where we're standing now is a great vantage point of the property in general.
This is a very Instagrammable spot, isn't it?
Thank you, appreciate it.
Yes.
No, and we Instagram the heck out of it. So yeah, we're not shy about sharing the beauty.
There are many ways to experience PepperHarrow, from glamping to instructional classes. Let's catch up with Jen for a quick lesson on designing a bouquet of farm fresh flowers.
Jen, tell us about this beautiful space. What is it?
This is our little event barn area. We teach classes and we hold events in this space. This is where most of our bouquet making happens, which is why we have these flowers here today. So a few of the little suggestions we have for putting together a bouquet is we like to start with a greenery.
All right, well, should we get started? So you kind of lead me here.
Okay,
I'm a novice at this.
Absolutely. Right. So let's start by grabbing 3 pieces of the greenery.
Okay.
So we're going to grab that beautiful...
The spearmint?
Yep, grab that beautiful spearmint, and it's nice and full. Let's pull off a few of these side branches.
Right.
So if it does get a little too bushy, we can just pull off a few of the little sides.
Okay.
Really, with the greenery, we're just building a little greenery nest for our bouquet.
Okay.
And then the next thing we'll do is pop in some focal flowers, and that is going to be these beautiful large flowers over here, and whichever ones really speak to you.
Okay, so there's no like color combination that you necessarily have to worry about or think about.
I say you don't have to really worry about it. If we do specific color combinations, we like to stick with 3 different colors. And then we're going to fill in with some conical flowers, and some of those are over here. It's just such a beautiful contrast, that purple with that orange. And from there, we're going to fill in with a few little, what we call sparkly elements. Let's go ahead and put some of those conical flowers in there and kind of fill in a little bit.
Yeah, this is really coming together.
Yeah.
And so when people come, they get to take this home, which is kind of nice. They get to put it together, and then, yeah, this is their keepsake.
What we had here is a bouquet bar experience. We'll usually have a full bar of flowers set up on this table behind us. So there's a lot of opportunities to come out here and visit the farm to put a bouquet together just like this. And lastly, we're going to tuck in this beautiful celosia.
These are gorgeous.
Yeah, and just this orange color, it looks so incredible. It really is very eye-catching. And that will be the last thing that will kind of finish off this beautiful bouquet.
Okay.
All right, that looks perfect.
This is beautiful. Jen, thanks so much for having us out and showing us how to assemble a bouquet and showing off all the beautiful flowers that you have here. Voila, it's beautiful. Thanks, Jen.
You did a beautiful job.
Thank you.